Hi, I'm James Gangle and welcome to My Little Kitchen. I recently learned who my biggest fans are, my 8 nephews and nieces. And I am thrilled, but their parents are not. They say my videos are too violent. That I swear too much. And that I encourage the worship of Satan. So today on Little Kitchen, I'm going to be making a video that the whole family can enjoy with absolutely zero objectionable content. Today on Little Kitchen, I'm making a 3-bean Mexican salad. It's vegan. It's easy. Sorry, I thought there was going to... There it is. And it's fun. Come on. All right, Mexican bean salad, very easy to make. You start with beans. So we've got our black beans. That's going to go in this colander here. We're just going to let all the juices in there drain out. We're going to get some red kidney beans or harcourts. That goes in there. And some white kidney beans or white harcourts. There's lots of little delicious beans left in the can. So I'm going to scoop those out. Waste not, want not. Well, I mean, I don't know. I think you can waste and also want. Waste, is that what that means? Waste not, want not. If you don't waste, then you want for nothing. Yeah, maybe that's right, because you'll have extra. We've drained out our beans. That goes in our salad bowl. And now, a full red onion, diced. That goes in. And 2 peppers. Red peppers work. Orange peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers. I don't like them! So we're just doing 2 peppers, red and orange right here. Those go in. Look how pretty this looks already. Oh my goodness. And then a can of corn. Boom, there you go. There's the base of the salad right there. And now we can work on our salad dressing. And what we want to do here is throw in all our wet and very, very finely minced stuff. So 1/2 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Don't miss the lime juice. Lime juice gives it this fresh, tangy thing that you can't replace. Don't replace it. A 1/4 cup of minced cilantro. Again, if you don't like cilantro, do not eat the salad. It's better with it. We're going to put in 1 clove of garlic. So let's just get that out there. Boom. So we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. In it goes. We're going to put about, a teaspoon or so of freshly cracked pepper. We're going to put in some hot stuff. But if you're making it for the kids, you can leave it out. I'm going to put in a squirt of sriracha. I'm going to put in a little hot sauce because I like things hot. Like I said, this video is for the whole family. Finally, we're going to add a little salt. I had some salt in that garlic paste, so I'm not going to add all too much. But if you're just, adding salt free form, you want a teaspoon or so. I guess that's not free form then. You've measured it. And then you're going to want about a teaspoon of cumin. I love cumin, so I'm gonna be aggressive on my cumin pour there. And then again, a little bit more spicy. I love the chili, so just a dash of chili powder there. That's like 5 dashes. And then you're just gonna whisk this all together until it combines. So you want your oil and your juices to kind of just form sort of a glossy liquid, dissolving all the sugar. Look at that, nice and combined. And we're almost done. All we have to do now is mix this dressing into our salad. So here we go. Dressing goes in. And we are ready to rumble! Okay, so let's mix this salad together, combine all those goodies. It's going to be a party at my house tonight. And that party is salad. And then I like to do a final mix with a spatula. I can kind of bring all the stuff from the bottom up. And there you have it. 3-bean Mexican salad. Nothing left to do but to taste it. So, let's give this a shot. And I love beans. Mmm. It's spicy. It's sweet. It's fantastic. And it's filling. It's like a whole meal. Thanks, everybody. And I love you, Sebastian, Katerina, Zephania, Sarah, Hazel, Charlotte, and Ritter. Nearly forgot them. I got to... Yeah, that's all 8. Bye.
Oh, and Marcus. Oh, yeah, there it is. 8. 8. I have 8 nephews and nieces. Love you too, buddy.